Today we're going to decorate the mantle and the living room for Christmas. Times are tough, and in this economy, I'm not going to be the one that tells you that you have to switch out your theme or change your colors every holiday season just to keep up with the trends.
Those viral cedar garlands that you see all over social media, they're beautiful. But what people don't tell you is that you're going to need 2 or more to layer in on either side in order to get that full, luscious garland look. The garlands are already like $100 a piece, and that's just not feasible for most people. Here's a little trick to making your artificial garland look a little fuller. Go to the Christmas tree lot and ask for the live Christmas tree clippings. Clip it and add that into your artificial garland. And I do this every year. I'll share that with you after Thanksgiving, and it's going to give you a fuller look. For now, I just use a really cheap garland from the dollar store. I trimmed it and added it into a couple of bare spots until it's time to go to the Christmas tree lot.
Darling, I get you on my mind when Christmas comes to town. It's getting cold, baby, I just want you close. I got all this joy in my heart, and if it's getting dark, yeah, we can go inside. Baby, won't you hold me tight? I don't need any presents, 'cause I know I have you. I just need you, and I know it will be a magic.
Let me de-influence you this holiday season to use items that you already have. Part of the magic of Christmas is the nostalgia, pulling out pieces that you've used year after year, pieces that once belonged in your childhood home or belonged to lost loved ones, and the memories that that decor brings each Christmas season. Using the same decor each year can bring back happy memories of Christmases past. The traditions, the same decor, the smells of fresh cinnamon rolls baking in the oven on Christmas morning, that's what truly makes the holidays special. So you don't need to go out and buy new things every season, because you want to create the magic of Christmas and the nostalgia by using the same decor each year. All the poinsettias remind me of my Memaw. The ones that I put in the milk glass vases, they belong to her, and she would put them out each year.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, dance, dance. Come on.
You don't have to keep up with the trends each year, and I'm not going to pressure you to do that. If you do want to go out and buy new decor, buy things that you truly love or decor that looks timeless. Because if you truly love it, you'll pull out that Christmas decor each and every year. And it too will become one of those nostalgic memories of Christmases past.
Dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time.
Thanks so much for watching. Let me know what your Christmas decor theme is, and I'll see you next time. Happy decorating!
Dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time.